Hello, viewers and beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Michelle here. And as promised, I am here with another video on this Sabbath Saturday. And for this evening, I would like to bring to you a little cooking. So if you tuned in earlier, you know that today my girls and I took in a brunch at the DeQuinder Fit Park. And although that was a great little snack, now it's about time for a meal. And what I am preparing this evening will be some salmon that I have here, along with some zucchini and squash, some mushrooms, baby bella mushrooms, as well as a little salad. And so the first thing I need to do is to prepare my salmon. I'm going to get that rinsed off and into this pan here so that it can go into the oven. And I'm going to season it with a little bit of kosher salt, some lemon pepper seasoning, and I'm going to use some extra virgin olive oil to bake that with. So I shall get started. So here is my salmon. I have it all seasoned up with a little kosher salt, some lemon pepper seasoning, and some extra virgin olive oil. And I'm going to go ahead and put that in the oven now. So my next task is to chop up my squash and my zucchini. And I really enjoy squash and zucchini with mushrooms. And I usually will throw in a little bit of red pepper as well, just to give it some flavor, spice it up a little bit. So we're going to get these all chopped up. And normally I would be preparing a meal for myself and the children as well. But today they decided that they wanted pizza for dinner. And since pizza is not one of my most preferred meals, I'll get this into this pan here so that I can, and I'm going to add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Let's get that going. And a little bit of kosher salt, and I really like kosher salt because you don't need a lot of it. It just a little bit gives a whole lot of flavor, so you don't need a lot of kosher salt. And two, add our mushrooms, and we like to wipe the mushrooms off really good. You don't want to wet them because they retain a lot of moisture, and that will impact the flavor as well as your cooking time. So I just like to wipe the mushrooms off like that, and I will take the stems out. Just chop these up as well. And we are going to put the mushrooms to the side because the zucchini and the squash will cook faster, and so we don't want our mushrooms to be overcooked. And in the meantime, we're just going to slice up some tomato for our salad. The tomato is really red, and juicy, and ripe. So we have that together. And so now, so here is our zucchini and squash as it is sauteing in the pan with some extra virgin olive oil and a little bit of kosher salt. And what I didn't put in here was the red onion. I'm missing my red onion, people, but that's okay. We'll do better next time. So as you can see, I have added the mushrooms to the squash and the zucchini, and I'm going to put a lid on it and just let that simmer for a while. So here I just have a bagged mixed green salad with some romaine, and I'm going to go ahead and add some of those delicious tomatoes that I found today to the salad. And then, of course, I have to have my olives. I really love olives in my salad just to give it a little more flavor. So we're going to add some olives. So here is my finished salad. Although I said I was just going to add some olives, I also added some cheese. And then I also have my salad dressing here, which is a house salad dressing that I like to get from the Bucharest restaurant. And I had an extra one sitting around, so I wanted to use that tonight for my salad. And as you can see, our squash and our zucchini have cooked down. We have some nice golden brown color on that, and mushrooms have cooked down as well. So I'm going to go ahead, and they're very soft and tender. I'm going to go ahead and turn that off. Ready? And we're just going to put the top on there to keep those warm. And we have, so our salmon is all done. It's out of the oven. It's looking golden brown and quite delicious. So here I have my final plate with some delicious baked salmon, some squash and zucchini with mushrooms, and a nice salad with some romaine, lettuce, tomato, olives, cheese, and I'm gonna have some house dressing from Bucharest. So let's get started. So that was quite a delicious meal. As you can see, my plate is clean. I just have my water left to drink. I hope that you enjoyed this little cooking video, that you will like and subscribe, and that you will come back for my next video. Thanks for watching.